In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who follows your Spotify playlist. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. This tutorial focuses on the iOS and Android app experience since that's where most people check their playlists on the go. From the home screen, go ahead and tap your library at the bottom right. Your library collects all your music and playlists in one place, so it's the fastest path to the playlist you're curious about. Next, choose one of your created playlists to open it. Make sure it's a playlist you put together, not just a playlist you follow, so you're looking at the right information. You'll land on the playlist page with the cover art, title, and track list. On that playlist screen, tap the three dots, the small menu icon, often shown near the top. This opens the playlist options panel, where Spotify also displays key details about the playlist. Now look for the follower information. You'll usually see a number labeled followers near the top of the playlist or within the options panel. On some app versions, you might see likes instead of followers. That number indicates how many people have saved your playlist. If the number is clickable, tap it to view limited details about who follows the playlist. If it isn't clickable, that means Spotify is only showing you the count for now. A quick but important note about privacy: Spotify typically provides the follower count, but it does not always reveal a full list of followers. What you can see depends on factors like your app version and each person's privacy settings. In many cases, you may only see some followers, especially if they follow you as well or if their profiles are public. This design is intentional. Unlike traditional social networks, Spotify centers the experience on listening and sharing music, not on extensive follower tracking. Because of that, the visibility of who follows a playlist can be limited, even when the follower count is visible. And that's all you need to check who follows, or at least how many people do. Open Spotify, head to your library, pick your playlist, open the options, and then review the follower number, tapping it if it's available. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more clear, quick Spotify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy curating your playlists.